This afternoon I went shopping to the Iceland store in Penge, and this leaflet was on the counter, cashier's counter. Closing January 17th. This isn't due to that lunatic Starmer and his so-called Chancellor Rachel Reeves. This is something that's been going on for a long time, since at least 2022. A company called Hadley and some sort of housing association, they were trying to turn Blenheim Square, where it's based, into a conglomeration of tower blocks, 18-storey, for housing. 35% of which is said to be affordable. I wouldn't be surprised if they stuff that full of bogus asylum seekers now, the way things are going. It's really disappointing. I mean, Iceland is, the bloke who found it, Michael Wilko. He's the acceptable face of capitalism. I've done almost all my shopping for frozen food and other stuff as well. Really great value, convenient. This guy's an absolute diamond. His son's running the business now, he's retired. I thought he was dead actually, but he's still alive at 79. It's really, I don't know what this country's coming to, but I buy some frozen stuff at Lidl in Sydenham, which is about the same distance. And occasionally Aldi. Well, I go to Aldi quite a bit. Mostly at Sydenham Green, Bell Green. No, near Sydenham Green Surgery. There's an industrial estate there. There's a Sainsbury's superstore as well. And very occasionally to Norwood Junction. But this is, well, it's the end of an era as far as Penge is concerned. That's about all I have to say. That's my obituary for Iceland, Penge. Now I'm going to get on to finish writing a lengthy obituary I've been aching to write for years. That of the odious Jerry Gable.